Here's the hill that the Jeep's gonna go up. The Explorer went up last week, open diffs, relatively inexpensive all-terrain tires, so when the Jeep goes up, it's not gonna be that big of a deal. We just got the 488 gears installed, lockers front and back, so he's crawling around the yard. Got his new Rubicon stickers on it, so he's like a poser Rubicon dude. So you think you're gonna make it? You're not sure? I mean, the Explorer did it. Oh, I sure can. There's the Explorer in question.
I can make it, I just want to see if I'll make it crawl.
Alrighty, look at those fancy Rubicon stickers. Alrighty, here he goes. He's gonna see if he can crawl up it. Okay, those 488s made a difference. Got all four tires spinning, that's useful. It's just not going to do it. Alright, here he goes. Trying to get a different line on it, obviously. Okay, we're going for try 3. Now, mind you, the Explorer went up in one shot. Number 4. Definitely looks fancy with those Rubicon stickers. Try 5 if I'm counting right. I may have to get the Explorer out. There it is, just a little bit of gas and it did it. Alrighty, I know that was a pretty exciting video, so thanks for taking the time to watch it.